Hi guys, it's me Ma'am Dar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the operations on sets. It's actually the module 2 of Mathematics 7. This module is divided in two lessons. Lesson 1 is all about the union and intersection of sets. Lesson 2 is about the complement and difference of sets. So this module will help you illustrate union, intersection, complement, and difference of sets. But before we proceed, let us check on how much you already knew about set operations. Answer the what I know part first. Were you able to answer all the questions? If not, do not worry because this video will help you better understand the concept of set operations. Observe the figures. What is in figure C? How about in figure F? Diba sa figure C atong makita nga is just the combination of all the elements ni A ug ni B. Si F is just the common element of and D. Diba? Si C ang tanan nga elements gitipo, si F ang common lang nga elements. In sets, combining the elements with no repetition is called the union of sets, while getting the common elements is called the intersection of sets. Diba in arithmetic, we also have 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In set, we also have 4: the union, intersection, complement, and set difference. Ug mauna ang atong i-discuss ani nga video. Okay, let's start with the union of set. It is denoted with this symbol. If A and B are two sets, then A union B, or the union of A and B, is the set of all elements that belongs to set A or set B or both. The shaded part of the Venn diagram represents A union B. But when you say intersection, it is denoted with this symbol. So A intersection B, or the intersection of A and B, is the set of all common elements in A and B, or these are set of elements that belongs to both A and B. The shaded part of the Venn diagram represents A intersection B. So you remember, pag union means all the elements, intersection is just the common elements. So for example, you have these two sets. What is A union B? Again, we say union, meaning tanan. So you write all the elements with no repetition. So you have 2, 3, 4, and 5. How about A intersection B? A intersection B is just the common elements of A and B. What are the common elements? You have 3 and 4. So A intersection B is 3 and 4. Okay, another example. Suppose you have this. V is the set of vowel letters, N is the set of letters in the word rainbow, and O is the set of letters in the word over. What is V union N? So you unite, bali iimong iusa tanan nga elements ni V ug ni N. So you have this. Take note ha, no repetition. How about V intersection N? What are the common elements of V and N? So you have this. What if na kay V? So you list all the elements of these 3 sets with no repetition. So your answer is, how about V intersection N intersection O? Again, when you say intersection, pagkitao na to ang common. So in this case, tulo ka sets ang imong gi-intersect. So pagkitao nimo ang common sa tulo ka set. Pag common na siya sa duha, dili siya pwede because tulo ka sets ang atong i-consider diri. So in this case, what are the common elements of V, N, and O? So you have this. How about you have this? The quantity of V intersection N union O. In this case, unahon na to og solve ang naa sa parentheses. So ang sinasa parentheses naa si V intersection N. And kabaluta nga ang V intersection N is the set of letters A, I, and O. Then you unite it with O, the set of letters in the word over. Then you have this. Same process kung hatagan ka og the quantity of V union N intersection O. So again, unahon na itong nasa parentheses. V union N is, then you intersect it with O. So unsa man ang common nga elements nila, you have the letters O, E, and R. Remember, union, you list all the elements with no repetition. For the intersection, just list the common elements. Now, let's discuss the difference of two sets. If A and B are two sets, then A minus B is the set of all elements in set A but not in set B. Pero kung B minus A ka, then it is the set of all elements in B but not in A. Para mas masabtan, ingon ani. Diba, sa arithmetic, ang 5 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 5. So, same with sets, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. For example, suppose you have these two sets. Para mas dali, atong tan-awon daan kung unsa ang ilahang common. And then, if A minus B, ilist nimo ang mga elements nga nabili ni A. If B minus A, ilist nimo ang tanang elements nga nabilin kay B. Yun na ni. Cross out na to ang mga common. So, A minus B, unsay nabilin nga elements ni A, you have 3 and 5. Pag B minus A, unsay nabilin nga elements ni B, na kay 2 and 8. So, yung ana ra, kasayon. Let's proceed to the complement of set. If A is a set, then A complement or A prime is the set of all elements in the universal but not in A. So, mura siya og universal minus A. For example, you have this set. What is A prime? A prime is just equal to universal minus A. So, that's just equal to 2 and 4. For B prime, that is just equal to U minus B. And that's equal to 1 and 2. C prime is just equal to universal minus C, which is equal to 1, 3, and 5. Using the same example, you solve for A complement union B complement. Kabalo naman ta sa A complement, kabalo na punta sa B complement, then ato ra siyang i-unite. So, union. I-list na to tanan with no repetition. So, your answer is this. How about the quantity of A intersection C complement? Again, this is just equal to the universal minus A intersection C. What is A intersection C? Naabay common si A ug C? Wala. Since wala, it is null set. And then, universal minus null set, that's just equal to the universal, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last, solve for B minus C complement. Kabalo na taon sa C complement. So, what are the elements of B nga wala ni C complement? The answer is Nagets? Since we're already done discussing with the operations on sets, you are now ready to answer the assessment. If your score is 11 or more, you may proceed to the next module. However, if your score is 10 or below, you watch this video again or read your module again for the missed items. See you on the next module. Bye!